Yo, welcome back once again to a vlog, and well, it's not really a vlog, but it's not really a vlog, so try to hold it up into the light or something. Pistol, it's all loaded. So we're gonna shoot it. Okay, and then you just twist this, and then you reload. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So then there's this one, where you can aim. I'm going to shine it at the camera. If you guys can see that. You see it? Yeah, so it lights up when you aim it, and then you can aim, and then you could shoot the bullet. But, okay, so if you take this off, and you unravel it, then it's just one little normal thing. But I have to put this back on before my sister notices that I've been touching it. Oh no. Wait, is this is opposite. Okay, so it goes this way. And then that thing connects into here. Snap, okay. And then here comes the kind of hard part. You have to ravel it back in like this. There we go. So then we have the beauty. This one. This one is a Nerf, and this one is, I think it's like, oh, Nerf Rebels, and then this is Nerf as well. If you don't know, Nerf logo, if you can't really see it, the Nerf Rebel logo. And this one, it said Nerf on the box, but it didn't. I'm gonna set it to, hold on. There we go. Okay, so it's set to 1 foot, so it won't go as far. It won't launch the dart as far. Actually, let's do 2 miles. There we go. If you guys don't know what I'm aiming at, I'm aiming at the basketball hoop. There's the basketball hoop. We also have a red one in the extra bedroom, I think. Yeah. So if we just fix the camera. Oh, that's a little bit too high. There we go. So, yeah. Currently, it's like 8:30 in the morning. So I'm just waiting for Reagan to wake up, and then we'll have breakfast. And then I think once my mom wakes up, we could do this old thing. So the only one I fired was this thing, because these things are too strong. I don't even know if it's loaded. There we go, it's loaded. This one, fully loaded. This one, all bullets. Yeah, it seems to be all the bullets. This one only carries 1, so I don't have to worry. Did it say like 24 pack? 16 darts. So if we just... Okay, so 1, 1, 2. I need to... How am I gonna do this? Ooh. No. The only way to get them out is by firing them. So what it occurs to be is, hold on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh. I have to fire these out. Ow, that really hurt. I'm trying to do these as quiet as possible. Oh no. Hold on, I need to take this one more. And then I think that's it. There we go. Okay, so I think that's all I need. Okay, so there's definitely 6 in here. And then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so these are all of the extras. God dang it. The guns are like falling on me. That's it. Okay, so I need 3, that's it. So I just put the extras, except for 3. Okay. So if we move this back. Okay, so now we put these bullets back in. And then those are the extra ones that me and Ray are going to split for extra ammo, even though the guns are already going to be loaded. There we go. There we go. This one's loaded. Loaded. Shatter. So yeah. So guys, this is just about the end of this video.